Hi everyone, welcome back to my hairstyle magazine. Marguerite here. I want to tell you guys about the clipper haul real quick. I'll do my best to get through it. I'm not really good at reviews, but I'm just going to tell you guys straight up how they work for me. I got a couple clippers during the holiday season. 2023 holiday season is January 2024, and I want to let you guys know how they kind of work for me. So we'll start off with the wahl. They're called Magic Cordless Clippers. So I've had these for like a couple years now. The other ones are new, but I'm gonna start with the ones I've been using for a couple years. These ones are pretty good, but my coworker has the same exact ones, and we noticed that we had the same exact problems and issues with them. Number one being the lever. It doesn't stay still when you do like a half clipper or a half blade up. It doesn't stay up. You have to hold the lever down with your thumb as you're doing a half, and otherwise it'll just go back down to a zero. So that sucks. So you have to get used to that. And also when you put it all the way down, the blade is crooked, and I don't know if you could tell, the blade is just crooked. And so those two issues, me and my coworker had the same exact problems with that on both of ours. So they're probably all like that. The things that I do like about it are that they charge really fast. If you plug it, if it's like there's no juice in it, you're in the middle of a haircut and it goes off on you because you need to plug it in, I'll plug it in for like 5 minutes and it'll get me through like I'll plug it in and do the haircut, but after that it'll last, if I have to plug it in real quick, let's say for 2 minutes, it'll last through a haircut. Like, it charges super fast. That's what I like about it, if that makes sense. And so anyways, there's that to get through these guys. So just another one I got. Okay, yeah, so also I want to say that this one sucks if you're doing zero fades. It sucks because the clippers are crooked, so I can't do zero fades with them. Otherwise you cut their freaking ears off, you cut the people up, smash them up and stuff, so you don't want to do that. So I bought these clippers. They're cord, they have a cord and everything. I don't care. They're called Pilot Wahl, and I only bought these just to do zero fades. That's it, because they're perfect for zero fades. That's the only reason I bought them. So I use this for the zero part, and then I do the half, and then after that I go to these for like the number 1 and number 2 to blend it all the way up. So I use both of these for zero fades, because if you want to make your life a living hell and use these for zero fades, it's hard to blend the hair. It's hard to blend the zero fade. But if you use these, it makes your zero fades super fast and easy, and you could get like more haircuts done, more tips done, get more tips, get more haircuts done if you use these for zero fades, because these will take forever. If you use these for zero fades, they'll like, your haircuts will take longer and you'll get less tips during the day. So these ones are really good for zero fades. They also come with attachments, so you could do like the whole haircut with this, but I just switch over to this because I'm used to them. You could do whatever you want. And then I got this. It's the babyliss Pro. It's a razor. It's gold edition, and it's for double zero fades. So if you do like a zero fade and then you want to go even closer to the hair, so it's like nice and smooth, like no hair at all, like super soft, and you go in with these, and they work really good. I used them on a guy who he wanted his hair completely bald, like to the skin, and so I did like, where's my trimmers at? Oh yeah, I used my trimmers, which I'm gonna talk about these. I used my trimmers, I did them all over, and then I used this after, and it came out like smooth, like silk. So this one works really good. I really recommend this. And then this one is my sterling, because I really don't know the name and all that. Let me see. I don't know if you could read that. Sterling. I forgot who made them and all that. Wahl. Sterling wahl. So the thing I like about this, you guys, are like, there's a lot of kids, as you know, with like autism and stuff, and they don't like the sound of like loud clippers. So these ones are really quiet. You could barely hear them, so the kids are less afraid of this one. But some of my coworkers have like loud trimmers and it scares the kids, but this one works really good. So I recommend that. It's really quiet, it doesn't cut them, it works really well. And also I have these, the babyliss Pro, and it's the silver FX edition. Looks like that. And I was pissed off because they didn't have the gold ones. They had only the silver ones. They ran out of the gold. These ones work really good for designs or really good for designs or partings, for the disconnected haircuts, whatever you want to call it. I don't know what they call them nowadays, but just for like the lines and designs, this one works really, 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 really good. I love it. So I definitely recommend those. And what else? I think that's it. Also, this is my apron. I want to do a quick review on my apron. I got it from Amazon, and it comes with the heart-shaped design of like, what is it? You know, brush, a comb, whatever, and all that. And I really love it. I get so many compliments on this apron. I've never had so many compliments on a hairstylist apron before. And like customers, co-workers, they all love it. And what I love about it is the pockets are like this. Keeps your tips and my phone, nothing pops out or nothing. I love it. And all the hair, there's not one hair at the end of the day on this apron. So it works really, really good, and it's really, really cute. And I love it. I got it on Amazon, if I didn't say that before. And I think that's it. So I hope you liked my clipper haul. I just wanted to do it really, really, really quick. It's a rainy day, and it's kind of just wanted to do that. So I hope you guys have a blessed day. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. I forgot how I do my intros. Hi everyone, welcome back to my hairstyle magazine. Oh shit, my rubber band just broke. Oh shit. There goes my rubber band. It just broke. Alright, I'm just gonna do this because I want to do this video. Hi guys. Let me get this. Oops. Shit. Okay,